What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today we are getting into an unboxing. I have a package here from Hat Club. Shout out to Hat Club. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Sound off down below in the comment section if you've been picking up any of the recent Hat Club drops. Here's a quick look at the sides of the box. You can see that's the Northern Lights right there. So Hat Club has been showing these off on their Instagram the past couple of days, and the hats actually drop today. So by the time you're watching this video, the hat should be available for purchase. And let's go ahead and take a look at what they sent out. So you have some more Northern Lights graphics up at the top. What is that? That Detroit Tigers. A natural phenomenon has arrived. Northern Lights, now featuring ultraviolet threading activated by the sun, which we're definitely going to take a look at in just a second from your friends at Hat Club. Shout out to Hat Club. I always appreciate the love. I just checked for y'all, and these do actually glow in the dark. So it's a pretty good size pin. Glow in the dark, hard enamel. Take a look at that. And of course, the hat itself. So like I said, this is the Detroit Tigers out of the Northern Lights collection. If y'all haven't seen these already, it's a pretty cool color combination. Purple crown, blue top bill, blue button on top to match. I'll bring it a little bit closer so y'all can see that Detroit Tigers front logo. It's the old English style D on the front, white on the interior, like a sky blue outline on this one. And I believe that white interior is what's activated by the sun, the threading that's activated by the sun and changes colors. The ultraviolet threading. Tiger Stadium side patch, some more of that white, which is the ultraviolet threading. Once again, some purple to match the rest of the hat. Flat baddie on the back, tonal new era flag, gray UV on these with the black guts. I do really like the gray UV. I feel like the hat has a lot going on already, the ultraviolet threading, and of course the inside print that I'm about to show y'all. So gray UV was a nice touch. If ultraviolet threading wasn't enough, Hat Club took it a step further and added the Northern Lights graphic on the inside of the hat. So this is actually the front two panels of the hat. So right behind the Detroit Tigers front logo, right behind where your front logo is, that's where this print is on the inside of the hat. And you can see it's a full Northern Lights graphic. That is very, very cool. Of course, you have the Hat Club custom tagging. Now, before I go steam and curve this hat, here's another good look at the crown. These were made in Bangladesh, for those of y'all who are gonna wanna know. One more good look at the hat before I steam, curve, and get this ready to wear. I'm back, and here's what the hat is looking like. So it's been steamed and curved how I would normally wear my hats. Here's a good look one more time at that front logo. I really like the color combination on this. That purple and blue work together really well. I'm already thinking of the sneaker combinations. The color placement is also really nice in that side patch, the way the light blue and that purple work together with the white in there to break it up. And of course, once that gets hit by the sun, I believe all of that turns pink, but we're gonna see, we're gonna test that for sure. This is one of those instances where I like the pin by the baddie. To each his own, pin placement is different for everybody. So when y'all get y'all hats in the mail, tag me and I can see how y'all decided to dress y'all hats up. Now I do wanna say curving the hat didn't disturb that inside graphic of the Northern Lights at all. Y'all can see it's still in there. It's not wrinkled, crinkled, or damaged in any kind of way. So curving your hat is not gonna disturb that design. It's still intact. Now the weather in New York City has not been great recently. It's actually been kind of trash, if I'm being honest. The weather has been pretty crappy out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if the little bit of sunlight that we do have out today can change the ultraviolet threading color on this hat. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I did get it to work just using the little bit of light that's coming in through the window right now. It's not strong enough for me to show y'all the change on camera. So I'm gonna have to take the hat outside and film it outside for y'all to get the full effect. But let me just say, that is a cold, cold touch to add to this hat. This was one of those unboxings where I'm really happy I was able to give y'all a closer look or a better look at some of the details on a hat, because I'm a consumer just like y'all. And I was a little skeptical about the add-ons, you know, the inside graphic, the color change and threading. I knew that I liked the colorway of the hat and I was gonna like the hat itself, but everything else, I was a little skeptical, but I'm glad, really glad that I got to see it in hand. It's a nice hat. It's a really nice hat. I said it earlier in the video, but I'll say it again for those of y'all that might have missed it. The Northern Lights collection from Hat Club releases today. So by the time y'all are watching this video, that means the hats are already available on hatclub.com. If you enjoyed today's unboxing, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.